So I'm Dr. Silpa Owich, the Associate Director for Women and Youth Banking. Today we are here elated to come and celebrate our 15th anniversary of the Equity Wings to Fly and Elimu Scholarship Program. We are here today at the 15th Congress, and this Congress is happening in other 19 regions with around 24,000 scholars. These 24,000 scholars are going to join the other cohort that have finished, making about 60,000 scholars so far who have gone through Wings to Fly. Now, Wings to Fly is a comprehensive scholarship that we offer to our students that takes care of their education, takes care of their health, takes care of their shopping. And what you are doing today is just to come and offer them our unwavering support and commitment that we are with them, and whatever they're going through, we are with them. So here with us today, we have 1,700 scholars in Kisii. This is scholars coming from 6 constituencies who are sitting here with us today. They've been here for the last 3 days, and what you're trying to do is to mentor them. And we've been having a lot of mentorship that has been taking place for the last 3 days from our education experts, from our private sectors, from our religious leaders. And today we marked our final day with the students. Our theme for this year was basically the 3 key areas that we're trying to push the students to focus on, which is education, which is empowerment, and the third one is leadership. We know very well that without leadership, without education and empowerment, then there cannot be leadership. So here we're just trying to tell them that they should focus on their education. We are there to support them, and education will not stop. It's a continuous education. They have to empower each other and also give back to the community. That is the reason we're here today. Presenting our group Chief Executive Officer and what our promise we have for the students. I think is very clear. For the scholars who are going to attain A- and above, they are going to be given a direct internship in Equity Bank. And this is an internship that they'll be given to support them as they're waiting to go to the university. It's a 6-month internship, paid internship. And from the session you've seen some of them coming to confirm about that internship that is happening. So from us, we are saying that any student who attains A- and above, there's that internship. And more above that, we are looking towards supporting them also go to the global universities to just enhance the education. The ones who are going to attain B+ and below, they are also having, they can get into the universities or TVETs, and with that, we can still have as an opportunity with them to train them and to mentor them in those particular organizations as they achieve, as they work towards achieving their dream. Thank you. As Equity, as you can see, the Wings to Fly, we not only have support the people from this region, but we have support from other regions and the ones that you're just talking about. We talked about 19 sessions going through. One of them is actually in those areas that we are discussing. So as Equity Bank, we are supporting all the regions to make sure that they achieve their dream. Thanks.
My name is Philip Chirchir, County Director of Education, Kisii County. Today we are at Kisii School for the 15th Annual Congress for Equity Wings to Fly and Elimu Scholars. The students will be taken through various topics: academic excellence, transformative leadership, gender sensitization, and then of course acquiring values so that they can be better citizens in future. In total, we have about 1,667 from 6 counties: Homa Bay, Migori, Kisii, Nyamira, Bomet, and Narok. So we hope that these students, once they go through education, they'll be useful to this country. And we thank Equity Group Foundation for giving them a chance to study, and the government of Kenya with other partners for Elimu Scholarship. Thank you very much.
My name is Juma Edwin Walela. This is Ekituto Central. I'm standing in for the county commissioner who is away on other commitment. We are here for this program, Elimu Scholarship and Wings to Fly. And first we want to thank the Equity Bank for sponsoring these children who are vulnerable. It is an opportunity that they have gotten that they may go through the education system without disruptions. We are here just to encourage them that once you have gotten this opportunity, you better utilize it well, because an opportunity comes once, and once it is caused without being utilized well, then you will regret. We are only here to encourage them so that as they go through the education system, they achieve what is their call that they intended to be. Otherwise, I want to wish you all the best and thank you.
Jina naitwa Shila Nyuga, nasoma Rangala Girls. Nimefika kidato cha 4. Toka niingie katika hii program ya elimu na Wings to Fly imenisaidia sana. Nimeweza kupata elimu ya bure, nimeweza kujiendelesha na masomo yangu. Kando na hayo nimeweza kujifunza mengi kama kutunza mazingira na kutia wengine moyo. Na natarajia ninapoenda kumaliza shule nami nirudi huku nyumbani nikawasaidia wenye hawajiwezi kama mimi mwenye nilikuwa mmoja wao kusaidiwa. Kwa hayo pia ningependa kumshukuru meneja wetu pamoja na James Mwangi popote alipo kwa kutupea fursa hii ya kuweza kuja na kujua mengi katika hii shule ya Kisii School. Asanteni.
Training that is going to enable us to become responsible citizens of this country. And I want to take this opportunity to thank the manager, CEO of Equity Bank, Honorable James Mwangi, for his enigma, and he has seen that he has supported us academically, and in fact he has given us the best thing that can enable us to fly across the world. And we are going to change this country in the coming 20 years. Thank you.
It has been the wind beneath our wings, the wings that we've been provided with Equity Group Foundation, and reaching this far, it has been God. And we thank you so much, Dr. James Mwangi, wherever you are, for the good deeds that you've done for us and everything that you keep on providing for us. May God bless you so much.